In order to use Copilot to create content, you need to subscribe to one of the Microsoft 365 plan. Now, for those who are new to Microsoft 365 Copilot, it is the cloud version of all the Microsoft the software or apps that we're familiar with, the ones that we use on our devices like desktop computers or laptops. You have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. You also have this cloud version where you can use those apps and then there's synchronized to the cloud or saved in the cloud uh, in a cloud storage like Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. And you can use those apps on any of those devices, laptops or smartphone and so on. So before installing and using those apps, you need to select a plan where you can use. So you have Microsoft 365 Copilot, that's the new name for all those apps. Uh, they're put into two categories. You have Microsoft 365 for home usage and Microsoft 365 for business. So if you're using it as an individual or as a family, then you select for home and then the various plans for home. You have Microsoft 365 family, Microsoft 365 personal. So you can subscribe yearly or you can do monthly subscription, monthly payment like Microsoft 365 family. You can pay $12.99 per month or pay the yearly subscription. For personal use, you have $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year. So if you have a small business or you're working in an organization like a university or corporate organization, then your organization can purchase the business plan. So if you click on for business, um, you'll see the number of options under business. For business, you can also add the enterprise option as well. So for small business, you pay $6 per month. Microsoft 365 Business Standard and so on. So for businesses and enterprises, you can use one of those to subscribe for yourself and for your employees. Okay. We'll look at some examples of how Copilot has been integrated into Microsoft apps. Uh, if you're using Microsoft Edge browser to do sets, then you can see Copilot is already integrated into Microsoft Bing sets, the search engine for Microsoft used within Microsoft Edge browser. So on the right side, you see the icon for Copilot, and you can uh, type your prompt here for the AI to assist you with whatever you're looking for. Or you can use the app itself. So if you have latest version of Windows, you can have Copilot used within your uh, device here, as you can see. So this one is installed on my laptop. So I can type my prompt here and then ask the AI to help me with some tasks. like write a first draft or get advice, create an image, and so on. Okay. So it's already installed on my laptop, so I have the option of using it here. Okay. Um, if you're using Microsoft Outlook email client, then Copilot is integrated here, so you can use it to uh, write effective emails. Okay. Excel, you can use Copilot within Excel to analyze data and so on, or help you create something, or help assist you with functions, formulas within your Excel spreadsheet. So Copilot icon is here, or app is right there, so you can simply click there and type your from. Okay. Not, so this is Copilot within Excel. Uh, Another example, PowerPoint. You can use Copilot to help you create a new PowerPoint presentation. So you just click on Copilot. So you can use the pen on the right side to help you type your from, or you can just uh, use Copilot within the slide. Okay. So if you click on the Copilot icon, you can see create a new presentation, create a presentation from a file, add a slide as Copilot. So we have Copilot right there, so it helps you to speed up to create your, to quickly create your PowerPoint presentation. All right, in this example, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot within Word. So if you open a new Word document, you can see Copilot icon here. If you click on it, it will bring up the fan on the right side, and then you can type your from. You get Copilot to help you with your Word content. Okay. All right. All right. Copilot can also be used within the new Word document. So it's right here. So there are three main what activities where you can ask, or tasks where you can ask Copilot to help you with. Write an email to invite parents to a school baked up sale. Write an interview guide for software engineer, intern position at Microsoft. Drop an email to the neighborhood organization requesting permission to build a new fence on the south side. Now, these are only examples to guide you to create your own. Now, in this example, I'm going to ask Copilot to act as an educational researcher. It will assist me with research topics. So here you can see I already typed the from in the from in the from box, and on the right side, if I click on the send or submit button, it will act on my from here. So here I'm telling Copilot uh, act as an educational researcher conducting a study on the impact of generative AI on student learning at Pacific University, Pacific Adventist University. Sorry. Based on this research team, suggests five relevant and well-defined research topics that can guide in-depth academic inquiry. Ensure the topics are original, feasible, and reflect, uh, and reflect current trends in AI integration in higher education. So as soon as I'm satisfied with the prompt, then I'll click on the send button or submit button and see what Copilot can come up with. Okay, quickly scroll through the topics and check it and select only one that you want to use as your research topic. Now, if you are satisfied with this list of suggested topics here, then you can click on keep it. If you're not satisfied, then you click on delete here. Okay, so I'm going to click on keep it. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first one is exploring the effects of generative AI-assisted writing tools on academic integrity and student authorship. And the third one is this study will investigate how the adoption of AI-powered writing assistance influences perception of plagiarism, authorship, and academic honesty among students and faculty at Pacific University. So just go through all the topics, and then if you find one that is of interest to you, then you use that one. And you can save the others for later study. Okay, let's say I like topic number, let's see, let's choose this one. Okay, I like the second topic, this one here. So I'm going to what iterate again for the AI to uh, suggest some survey questions. So come down here. So see this icon for Copilot here. So I'm going to click on that. So it gives you a number of options here to select. But I'll type the next prompt. I've chosen topic 2. List 15 research research questions for participants to complete. I've chosen topic 2. List 15 research questions for participants to complete. Okay, this is not a Jetpack prompt, but I'll just click on send and see what happens. Okay, so you can see Copilot listed all these research questions within few seconds. So you can happy with these research questions or questionnaires. Now click on keep it. Right. If I want to continue, then I'll iterate again. So click somewhere here. Right. Right. Let's see. Please list 10 choice questions. List 10 choice questions and 5 open-ended questions for the participants to complete. Okay. Now, the 10 choice questions will come under quantitative type of research, while the open-ended questions will be mostly for text-based responses. That will come under qualitative. So I'm going to click on send. Okay. Okay, these are the choice questions. There are about 10 of them. Later you can format the choice items properly. But for now, it had included the list of choices for the participants to select. So that's question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the 5 open-ended questions. So if you would have questions, and you can format the questions properly, and then uh, in a way that you can use, you can send it out to the participants to complete, and then return it back to you. Okay. So as you can see, there are many ways you can use Copilot within Microsoft Word to complete specific tasks that you wanted to perform. So it makes the job easier, and you can do a lot of things using Copilot within Word, and it can save you a lot of time and headache. Okay. In the in future videos, I'm going to talk more about how you can use Copilot to create tasks using Microsoft Word and other Microsoft apps.